communicated by God. All the questions, all the negativity is our reflections. Are you getting my point what I am saying? कि जिन्ने तुहाडे अंदर अच्छे ख्याल आउंदे ने, learn that those belongs to your God's words. Those words are God's words. Whenever you speak good, whenever you do help others, whenever you guide people, it's a God who is guiding through you. It's a God who is communicating through you. Learn that. So, whenever you do good and the people are, whenever you are helping people, it's a God who is helping through you. Learn that. Whenever you do good to others, the people will love you. And whenever you do bad to anyone, even to your sisters, even to your brothers, even to your parents, even to your friends, you will be hated. You will be ignored. You will be left alone. So whenever you do good, learn that it's a God who has communicated through you. And whenever people thank you, just pass it on to your God. Je log salahe ta teri upma. Oh my God, they don't know that you have done it for them through me. They don't know that. They are very ignorant about it. So it's you, my God, who helped them through me. I am thankful to you. Praise your God always. Learn, make your mind learn this. कि किसी का भला करन तो बाद कहो मेरे मालिक शुक्र है तैं कराया. किसी की हेल्प करन तो बाद make your mind learn my God did it through this body. Am I clear? मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? You know the differentiation between a devotee and an egoistic person? The devotee praises all the goods to the God done by God through him in this world. And the egoistic person, whenever he does good, he tries to claim it. मैं कीता सी, मैं तेरी मदद कीती सी. It was me who helped you out. Otherwise you would have been ditched. थोड़ा तुसी fail हो जाना चाहिए थे. These are egoistic words. These are the words of the person who is ignorant about life, about the God's laws. Those people are ignored by God. They fall into trouble. मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? So we are learning this, कि whenever God communicates through you, learn this, all positive things belongs to God and all negative things are ours. साचे साहेब सबगुण अवगुण सवसा मोहि निर्गुण जियो सबगुण तेरे राम. Are you getting my point? So this is the way of praising God while moving in this world. That learning we learn from Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Am I clear till here? Any questions? Yes.
So even if sports you make a shot or something, you say Baba Ji did it, Baba Ji made it go in?
Yes, he has done it through you. See, I'll tell you one thing. There are two identities. One is God. This is you within your body, and the other is soul within you. The more smaller it looks, the more bigger it is. The more bigger it looks, the more smaller it is. Do you understand what I'm saying? The more unseen, powerful God is very tiniest. That's called soul. This is your mind. What is this? Mind. This is we, I. And this is my body. One day, I'll leave this body here in this world. I'll be kicked out by the soul from this body. Get out. There's a physical death of my body. I'm no more. You can bury me. You can cremate me. You can put me in the water, in sea. Nothing is going to happen to me. I'm out of this body. That's called death. That's not ultimate death. That's the intermediate death. That's the death of the body, physical death, not my death. Actually, I have to die. I have to learn to die. This is me. I have to learn to die before my body dies down. How do I die before my body dies down? That is called Gurmat. जीवन मुक्त सो आखिए, मर जीवै मरिया, मर के जीना सीखो। जेड़ा बंदा मन करके ना मरे, वो जीन लग जाए, वो फिजिकली मर जाएगा। मन करके नहीं मरेगा, मन वॉन्डर करेगा, भटकेगा। ये मन केतड़िया जुग भरमिया। Am I clear? Are you getting my point? सो मन करके मरना, मन मारे धात मर जाए, बिन मुए कैसे हर पाए। सो हाउ द माइंड डाइज? माइंड डाइज whenever the God does good through this mind in this physical body while we are living. Whenever you do good, the mind tries to say, तैं कराया, तेरा कीता है. The more you say that, the more the mind dies down. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਿਉਂਦਿਆਂ ਜੀ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ, ਮੈਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਛੱਡ ਜਾਏ, ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਮਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਦ ਜੀਵਨ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਬੰਦੇ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਰੱਬ ਨਾਲ ਮਰਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਉਂਦਾ ਮੁਕਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। That's called liberation. Am I clear till here? Any questions? So, we don't believe in physical death. We believe in mental death. The mind should die down. मेरी मैं मर जाए। ये मैं ਤਾਂ ਮਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ while living in this body. कबीर तू करता तू हुआ, मुझ में रहा ना हूं, जब आपा पर का मिट गया, जत देखा तत तू. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying? So learn this while doing your part. So part teaches us this, how to meditate upon God. Who has to meditate? Not the body. It's the mind which has to meditate. While living in this body, towards your God, who's there always with you, even while you are sleeping, while you are moving, while you are playing, while you are doing anything. It's a God who's doing it through this body. When He can do everything in this body, why can't He do beyond this body in this world? ਜੇ ਰੱਬ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਹੈ, you didn't do a single creation in this body. Did you create your bones? Did you create your nervous system? Did you create your organs? Did you create a single drop of blood? No. If nothing has been created by you, this is me, right? By me in this body, if everything has been created by God within my body, for me to live in this body, why can't He create beyond this body through this body? So everything which has been done in this world, sab kichh kita tera howe, nahi kich asada jiyo. That has to be born in mind. Am I clear till here? Any questions? So I was saying, मूल मंत्र साहब, मैं बड़ी तेजी ना बोलांगा पहला. Try to understand. I'll put questions just to know whether you were alert or not. Right? So I'm starting मूल मंत्र साहब. Should I start down? Are you ready? Yeah. Eko Onkar, one God, taking care of all the three systems in my body always. My three systems are mental system, digestive system, my reproductive systems. That three systems belong even in a small single cell, a single unit of life, which has its own mind, which has the energy to receive and distribute, which reproduces. If these three systems doesn't work in this creation, it cannot move in this creation. So if anything which is moving in this creation, it's moving with the three systems. It has its own mental ability, it has its more energy to receive and distribute, it has its own system of reproduction. Otherwise it cannot exist in this world. Are you getting my point? So my body, that one God who's taking care of all these three systems always, is called Ikonkar. Am I clear till here? Next word is Satnam. Satnam should never be, misunderstood. it should never be said, Oda naam sacha hai. No, though his name is true, but here the Satnam means his name remains always. Sat is always. Asat the opposite word hai. Are you getting my point? So my mind should remember him always. Ik dil pyara visre dukh lage sukh jaye. So my mind should never forget him. If I forget him, the one who's always with me, I suffer. Suffering comes on this earth just because my mind forgets him. If my mind doesn't forget him, you will never face any sufferings. You know, it's the mind which plays the role. Even if you're driving a car, when you come into sufferings, when the mind is absent, टक्कर लग जाएगी, किसी दे विच मारोगे, किते होर जाके लगेगी. If your mind is absent, you are suffering even in your studies. If your mind is absent, even when you go down the steps, you will suffer. You may fall down. Are you getting my point? So it's the mind which plays the role. So your mind should be always present in remembering him. Because when the mind forgets when the mind tries to claim it, मैं कीता. तुसी कदे ख्याल करो, I was driving in Delhi. I was very familiar with those roads, but when I said, मैनू पता है, you know, the moment I said, I know the way, I forgot that way. मैं घुमदा रहा उत्थे. Yes, this happens. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤਾ, you forget. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੁੱਕ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. You will never read ahead. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਬੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਰੁਕ ਜਾਏਗੀ, ਥੱਕ ਜਾਓਗੇ ਉੱਥੇ. ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ. I was driving my car from Delhi to Hyderabad. It was about 2100 kilometers. How many kilometers? 2100. On the way, I just came into my mind, oh, Ishwar saying, you drive a lot. Very good. You had never met with an accident. The moment my thought was over, there was an accident. I met with an accident. The person died in front of me. Yes? The moment you try to say that, you are off. Oh, Savior, God will teach you a lesson. So be very careful. Never try to be egoistic. Never try to claim that you do it. Always remember, he is thankful to God. When you are driving a car, though you have a license,